Tracking subscriptions and recurring expenses can feel overwhelming, but it's easier than you think. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through simple steps to keep tabs on your monthly payments and ensure you're not wasting money. Stick around till the end for a useful tip that could save you big bucks. First off, why track subscriptions and recurring expenses? It's easy to forget about those monthly fees that sneak up on you, whether it's for apps, services, or memberships. But over time, they add up. By tracking these expenses, you gain control over your budget and prevent unnecessary spending. Now, the simplest way to track subscriptions is by using software designed specifically for this task. I've tested a few of the most popular ones, and I'll show you how they work. You don't need to be an expert to do this. Start by linking your bank or credit card account to the software we'll be using. This lets the software automatically pull in your recurring charges, so you don't have to manually enter every expense. It makes the process quick and effortless. Once your accounts are connected, you'll get a clear picture of all your active subscriptions. You'll see them listed with the name of the service, the amount, and the billing cycle. From here, you can decide if there are any subscriptions you no longer use, or if you're paying more than necessary for a service. Another powerful feature is categorization. The software will group your expenses into categories like entertainment, software, or fitness. This lets you quickly see where your money is going each month and spot any areas where you might want to cut back. But it doesn't stop there. You can also set up reminders for upcoming payments or use features like spending limits to help you stay on track with your budget. This adds a layer of accountability that will make you more aware of your spending habits. One pro tip: look for subscriptions that increase over time. Some services might raise prices without you noticing. The software we're using will flag these changes, making it easier for you to catch any price hikes before they hit your wallet. Here's a key takeaway. The most important thing about tracking subscriptions and recurring expenses is awareness. Once you know where your money is going, you can make smarter financial decisions. Don't let unwanted subscriptions sneak up on you. Track them, review them, and cut back where needed. To recap, link your bank accounts, categorize your expenses, set up reminders, and review your subscriptions regularly. And don't forget, I've partnered with this software to offer you an exclusive free trial, which you can access through the link in the description below. Take advantage of that free trial to start tracking your subscriptions and recurring expenses today.